Welcome to EFCO's Concrete Construction and Forming Institute, where innovation meets expertise. Step into our 45,000 square foot education center, where hands-on training transforms theory into practice. Visitors range from owners to superintendents to engineers, and benefits include project coordination with our engineering team and an inside look at how the product is manufactured. From high-rises to highways, EFCO equips you with specialized knowledge for every construction sector. Our expert-led training delivers what matters most: safety, efficiency, and the lowest in-place concrete costs.
This facility is fantastic, and I got to tell you, I can't see any reason why we wouldn't want to send the leaders of our company up here, our field leaders especially, to come up here and get more knowledgeable on the formwork that we're using out in the field. You got great opportunity to learn all the ins and outs of the formwork. You got no production issues where you're worried about trying to be on schedule. You got plenty of time to learn, no pressure environment. And man, like I said, I can't say enough about how well this system is laid out here and the engineering of all these systems. Great opportunity, loved being here. Would definitely recommend it to anybody that we have that's going to be supervising either safety or the production of putting this formwork system together.
Experience the EFCO difference. Schedule your visit today.